Hey guys, what's going on? It's been a while. Sorry, work's been crazy. Alright, so with this lockdown and everything, I'm actually putting together a dresser. Basically, my desk has become like my workbench and everything like that, so I got everything scattered all over. I'm actually in the process of putting a dresser together, and I was using a 12 volt Makita, and it had too much power, and it's particle board, so you can see that it was just going, it was over tightening it, and it's hard to control it if I'm not paying attention, which I wasn't trying to do too many things at once. So I actually remembered I had this DeWalt, is it a DCF682 little 8 volt max little screwdriver. It's I guess it's an oscillating one, because you press it, it doesn't do much, and then as you turn whichever way it goes. So I actually took this out, cordless screwdriver, and I started putting together the dresser with it. Surprisingly, it's actually not bad. It has a light in the front. It does give you the battery gauge right on here. Like I said, forward, backwards, and it's just a standard drill bit that you can pop in. I actually even used it with the drill bit, with the 1/4 inch chuck, and it actually worked pretty well, surprisingly, for a DeWalt. Little battery. So, actually very surprised by it. You control it yourself, how fast you want it to go, how slow. So if you wanna go basically all out and tighten it up, you can go all the way, and it does tighten it down pretty well. It does penetrate the particle board pretty well. I've actually messed up a couple screws. I got 2 done, still got more to go. So, see how much fun I could have with this. Let's see if I could finally recommend a DeWalt tool or not. Can't believe I'm actually using, because I was using the other Makita drill, and I kept breaking the damn wood because it kept tightening it too much. So this little screwdriver one actually, since it has very little power and it doesn't break the wood, since this is MDF wood, particle board wood, it actually doesn't rip it like a normal impact or normal screwdriver would. So the little guy actually has enough power, and it actually still manages to go in more than expected. So you can tell by the quality of the dresser, it's not that good. Maybe that's why I'm recommending a DeWalt item, but I'm actually surprised by it. So Okay, so 2x6, two 2-inch screws. Just trying to see if it would go through. It kind of gave me a little nub on the underside, but to put together MDF furniture is pretty damn good. Pretty easy. I can't actually believe I'm doing this, but it's actually a pretty nice handheld gyrating, not oscillating, gyrating, gyro. Yeah, there we go. It's not a bad gyroscopic. I guess, yeah, because you're moving it, so it's gyro. Yeah. It's not a bad little DeWalt Gyroscopic screwdriver. 8 volts, not bad. Home Depot had it for, I think, when I got it, it was during Black Friday or during the Christmas gift center. It was $39. I just looked it up. It's normally, or right now, it's there for, I think, $69.99. Comes with a battery charger. Now it has a little carrying case. I was kind of pissed off I didn't get the one with the carrying case, but I really didn't think I was even going to use it. I was going to gift it to somebody, and guess what? I'm using it, surprisingly, right? So yeah, not a bad little thing. I'm bored out of my mind, so I'm having fun with tools that I didn't think I would be using. So yeah, actually, if you guys have some small things that you guys need a screwdriver for, with actually very responsive controls, you basically, as you're turning your hand, this is going, the more you turn your hand, the faster it goes, so it's your control. You're in control. I'm losing my mind too, apparently. So give this a shot. Let me know what you guys think. Again, it is the DCF682. DeWalt. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think. I'll try to post some more videos of a couple other tools that I have just recently picked up. With this quarantine lockdown, I have nothing else to do, so basically turned my desk into my workbench. Yeah, I did put the little wrap so I don't mess up the Superman logo, but yeah, not really helping it any.